the starting point of your introduction section is you have to mention the background and significance before or after the problem statement. For example, you are using some algorithm to identify type 2 diabetes mellitus, the disease. So before that, you tell the audience the prevalence of type 2 diabetes. It is a leading disorder. Many million people have been afflicted with this insidious dangerous disorder. It is a silent killer. So this is the prevalence data. How many people have been affected by this particular disease? Then you write the background and its significance. So identification of the disorder, the prediction of the disorder, whether it is available or not, or the person is affected or not, that is a global problem. Diagnosis is a global problem. My algorithm, what I am going to use, will clearly identify whether the disease is present or not. Fine? So you have to tell the significance of your study and the background of the study through literature sales. Then, the existing knowledge in the area. What knowledge is existing and what is the gap? Gap means the gap which has not been addressed by anyone. That gap identification is known as niche. Niche means N-I-C-H-E, means the gap in knowledge base and the area of knowledge base that will be addressed by your study. Means no one has addressed. You are the first person who is going to address and fill the gap. So identification of the gap is known as niche area. If someone has done something, if someone has reported, same thing you are going to report means your work is not unique. And you will be finding very difficulty to get your paper published by a journal. You have to do some unique research where no one has tried and reported the work what you have done, what you have performed and what you are going to report. So the needs you have to identify. Then what results are associated with the work expected? What are the expected results? இப்படிலாம் பண்ணா என்ன expectation கிடைக்கும்? What are the expectations? Then how could the expected results contribute to the field advancement? Your expected result, how it is going to advance the field? How it is going to advance the field? That point you have to mention in the introduction section. Then state the hypothesis and how the hypothesis is tested. Without panna, the problem solve panna mudiyum. State the hypothesis and how it is going to be tested. Just briefly. Then come up with the research questions. It is still unknown. The research questions. That we have to raise the questions. How to solve the problem? What are the strategies available to solve the problem? By your study, how you are going to solve the problem. Then you write aims and objectives. Therefore, the present study has been designed to explore, to investigate, to find out the potential of this particular algorithm in predicting the disease prevalence or disease presence. Then, followed by experimental method, study design, statistical analysis, then your work schedule. It's a protocol. Work schedule means July, leave it. August first week, what you are going to do. Second week, third week, fourth week. September first week, I will complete the work. September second week, I will start writing the paper. September third week, I will try to complete the paper. September fourth week, I will come up with the first draft of the paper. October first week, I will get it corrected by my guide. Second week, again correction. Third week, I will fix the small errors and polish the paper and will make sure that my paper is free from any grammatical, typographical and syntax error. Fourth week, October fourth week. Now my paper is ready for submission. November first week, selecting the appropriate journal. The Web of Science, Science Citation Index Expanded Journal. And you should make sure that the journal is not asking any money for you to publish your paper. You have to submit it in subscription mode. where you do not need to pay money, and whether the journal has facilities to submit your paper to subscription mode or not, you have to ask. Then after the journal selection, you should type the cover letter, one-page cover letter, what you have done, why you want to publish this paper, everything, along with your contact details and everything. Then now your paper is ready. I am going to submit my paper by 4th week of November. You got to make a schedule. Otherwise, your mission will not be completed. Fine. So these are the components of protocol and also components of your introduction section.